why we have to be read Indian polity and Indian constitution? Because when a man is not getting his fundamental right, then he go to court and police station or other authority that is run by government. So fundamental right if violates, then a man goes to court, and every citizen is needed to read Indian polity and Indian constitution. Today in this class, this is a class of English, Indian polity and constitution, and I am discussing some textbook throwing reading what we understand from Indian polity and constitution. Let's start. The term political science is immediately related to the word politics, which itself is derived from Greek word polis, that means a city, state, the general form of political organization in ancient Greece. The sophists, the wandering teacher of wisdom, particularly Pythagoras and Gorgias in Athens, were the first to expand a political theory. Later on, Socrates, Plato, and Aristotle continued to conduct the scientific study of the various problems concerning the state and the government. Aristotle, the world famous Greek philosopher, however, excelled his teacher Plato and his teacher Socrates. Now, Aristotle is regarded as the father of the science of politics in the West, while Manu is considered to be the first political thinker of India. His famous book Manusmriti is regarded as the first book of law in India. Later on, it was Kautilya Chanakya who formed and formulated thinking and gave it a concrete form in the shape of a book named Arthashastra, a well known book of Indian polity. In his famous book Politics, Aristotle has asserted man is by nature a political animal, and he who by nature and not by mere accident is without state is either above humanity or below it. Republic of India. India, a union of states, is a sovereign, socialist, secular, democratic republic with a parliamentary system of government. The republic is governed in terms of the constitution which was adopted by Constituent Assembly on November 26, 1949, and came into force on January 26, 1950. The constitution which envisages parliamentary from the government is federal in structure with unitary features. The President of India is the constitutional head executive of the Union. Article 74, subclause 1 of the Constitution provides that there shall be a council of ministers with the Prime Minister as its head to aid and advise the President, who shall in exercise of his functions act in accordance with such advice. The real executive power thus vests in the Council of Ministers with the Prime Minister as its head. The Council of Ministers is collectively responsible to the House of the People, that is called in Lok Sabha. Similarly, in the states, the governor is the head of the executive, but it is the Council of Ministers with the Chief Minister as its head in whom real executive power vests. The Council of Ministers of State is collectively responsible to the Legislative Assembly of the state. The Constitution distributes legislative power between Parliament and the state legislature and provides for vesting of residual powers in parliamentary. The power to amend the Constitution also vests in Parliament. The Constitution has provision for independence of judiciary, comptroller and auditor general, public service commission and chief election commission. Government of India, country name Republic of India, that is Bharat Jana Rajya. Government type sovereign, socialist, secular, democratic republic with a parliamentary system of government. Capital New Delhi. Administrative divisions 28 states and 8 union territories. Independence 15th August 1947 from the British colonial rule. Constitution. The Constitution of India came into force on 26 January 1950.